If you're like me, you like driving fast, and even though the 24 hasn't quite grown up into a full-fledged freeway yet, 45 miles an hour just isn't cutting it. But there's really good news for my fellow lead-foot Arizonans. The speed limit on State Route 24, it's that stretch between Ellsworth and Ironwood, just got bumped up from 45 to 55 miles per hour. ADOT wrapped up a speed study, and they swapped out the speed limit signs on December 12th in the middle of the night, and they officially said, yep, this road can handle it. Now, SR-24 opened up in 2022 as this interim 4-lane divided roadway, kind of the awkward teenage phase of the freeway. And while it's not done yet, this change makes driving it feel a whole lot more freeway-ish. ADOT's goal here is actually safety, getting most of the drivers driving closer to the same speed, instead of half of the road crawling and half of the road flying. In the big picture, this thing is still on track to become a 6-lane access control urban freeway starting around 2027, funded in part by Prop 479 that voters approved late last year. So for now, smoother flow, fewer brake taps, and a speed limit finally makes sense. Now, if they can just fix the gridlock on the southbound 202 at the 24 interchange at about 5 o'clock every weekday, that would be government in action. Now go make it a great day.